How do you answer the question, how old are you? Do you say, I have 18 years? If you do, it is incorrect. We say, I am 21 years old, or just, I am 21. Today we will learn many different natural ways to answer the question, how old are you? So let's begin. Some direct answers to the question, how old are you? These are some standard responses that native English speakers give. I am 25, or I am 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Notice the difference. I am 25 years old, but most English speakers, when they speak, they join I and am, right? Not I am, but I'm 25 years old. I just turned 25, or I am turning 26 soon. So these are some direct answers, okay? Some approximate answers are when you don't want to give people your exact age. So you could say, I'm about 25. You could be 24, 23, and 10 months. I'm in my mid-20s. I'm in my late 20s. I'm in my early 30s. I'm almost 30, meaning I'm not 30 years old. I'm almost 30. I'm nearly 30. These are some of the answers people give when they don't want to be exact. Okay? Next up, birthday-based answers. These are very natural answers in conversation. I turned 25 last month. I will be 30 next year. I'm going to be 28 in June. I just had my birthday. All right? These are some funny answers, right? They're very playful answers. And if you answer this way, the listener will most likely say, ha ha, very funny. And these are great for conversation practice. If somebody says in a conversation, says, hey, by the way, how old are you? You say, old enough to know better. Ha ha. Young enough to try again. 21 forever. That's a secret. I'm not telling you my age. Guess how old I am. Old enough to pay taxes. Very funny, right? And the funniest is, I'm sweet 16. People laugh. It's a very funny answer. Yeah? Okay, so let's look at some patterns and some examples. I am plus number. I am 30. I am 16. I am 20. I am plus number plus years old. I am 30 years old, or I'm 30 years old. I just turned plus number. I just turned 30. I'm in my early, mid, late, plus decade. Like I'm in my mid-30s. I'm in my mid-20s. I'm in my mid-40s. I'll be, remember it's I'll be, not I will be. You can say I will be, but most people will say I'll be, right? So practice pronouncing it. I'll be plus number. I'll be 40 next year. Not I am. You am. I'm almost nearly plus number. I'm almost 50. You could say I'm almost 50 years old, but most English speakers will just say I'm almost 40. I'm almost 35 now. Okay, very good. So those are the patterns that you can use in spoken English. And now it's time for you to accept the comment challenge. Let's say you're talking to me and I say to you, how old are you? And I need you to answer this question in 3 different ways. 1, your exact age. 2, your approximate age. And 3, your future age. Like how old will you be next month, next week, or next year, depending on your next birthday. All right? So write your 3 answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I look forward to reading your responses. I read them personally, right? And I take your responses seriously and I comment. So keep working hard and enjoy studying English with me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.